This video shows the proper installation steps for the GOJO TFX dispenser and applies to all GOJO, Purell, and Provon dispensers. Please read all instructions carefully before installing and using the dispenser. Find a suitable location for your dispenser, away from wet environments like showers or areas where walls will be washed down or sprayed. If you're installing the dispenser above a countertop, be sure to leave at least 6 inches of clearance between the counter and the bottom of the dispenser. Clean the installation area with an alcohol pad and allow the surface to dry for at least 60 seconds. Peel the paper off of the installation tape. Open the dispenser by releasing the latch at the bottom of the back plate. Press firmly on the back plate and hold the dispenser in position for 10 seconds. For maximum hold, let the adhesive set for 24 hours before adding the refill. Remove the cap from the refill pump and push the refill into the pump house until it's secure. Close the dispenser cover securely. To install the dispenser with fasteners, use the back plate as a stencil to mark the pilot holes. Then drill the holes for the fasteners using the marked holes. Insert a number 10 by 1 inch wall anchor into each of the pilot holes and gently tap it into place with a hammer. Make sure the anchors are flush with the wall. Fasten the dispenser in place using 4 Type A number 10 by 1 inch screws. Remove the cap from the refill pump and push the refill into the pump house until it's secure. Close the dispenser cover securely.